Are you someone who loves to travel or is planning to embark on your next adventure? Then you'll definitely want to hear about the habits of seasoned travelers. In this video, we'll share with you 10 essential habits that experienced travelers develop over time to make their journeys smoother, more enjoyable, and more memorable. Hi everyone, I'm Amber with Greater Travel, and whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or a beginner adventurer, you can join us as we dive into the world of travel and discover the habits that can help you make the most of your next trip. Number 1 on the list is packing efficiently. Seasoned travelers understand the value of packing efficiently, especially when it comes to navigating airports, trains, and other forms of transportation. They know how to pack lightly and only bring what they need for their trip, avoiding the temptation to overpack. They may use packing cubes or compression bags to make the most of their luggage space and keep items organized. They also bring versatile items that can be worn multiple times and in different ways, reducing the need for multiple outfits. By packing efficiently, they are able to travel more comfortably and without the stress of lugging around heavy bags or struggling to find space in overhead compartments. Number 2 is staying organized. Seasoned travelers are skilled at staying organized while on the road. They keep important documents such as passports and tickets in a secure and easily accessible place. They also use technology such as smartphone apps to keep track of their itinerary and make reservations. They may use a notebook or journal to write down important information such as addresses and phone numbers. They also make sure to keep their belongings in order and tidy in their accommodations so they can quickly find what they need. By staying organized, they can make the most of their travels without the stress of disorganization or misplaced items. Number 3 is doing research. Research is a crucial part of travel preparation, and seasoned travelers know this very well. They make it a point to research their destination in advance to get a better idea of what to expect. This includes studying the local customs, traditions, and cultural norms, as well as the local laws and regulations. They also research the transportation options and routes to get around the city, making sure to download maps and travel apps that will come in handy during their trip. By doing their research beforehand, they can avoid common travel mishaps, make informed decisions, and get the most of their travel experience. Hey, if this video has been a helpful research tool for you so far, be sure to subscribe and keep watching for more awesome travel content. Number 4 is staying flexible. Traveling is an adventure, and seasoned travelers know that things don't always go according to plan. That's why they stay flexible and open to changes in their itinerary. They understand that travel plans can change due to various factors like weather conditions, flight delays, or unexpected events. Therefore, they always have a backup plan and are prepared to adapt to unexpected situations. They are also quick to find alternative solutions and make the best out of any situation. Staying flexible and keeping a positive attitude allows them to make the most out of their travel experience and create memories that will last a lifetime. Number 5 on the list is keeping a travel journal. Keeping a travel journal is a common habit among seasoned travelers as it allows them to document their journey and preserve their memories. They write down their experiences, observations, and emotions, including details about the places they visit, the people they meet, and the local cuisine they try. Some travelers also include pictures, tickets, and other memorabilia in their journals. Not only does keeping a travel journal help them to remember their experiences in vivid detail, but it also serves as a great resource for future trips. They can refer to their journal to plan new itineraries, recommend places to friends and family, and relive their past adventures. Being open to new experiences is number 6 on our list. Seasoned travelers are often very adventurous and curious about the world around them. They are open to new experiences and are willing to step outside of their comfort zones to try new things. This can range from trying new foods, learning a new language, or exploring new activities like bungee jumping or scuba diving. They are also open to meeting new people and learning about different cultures, which can help them broaden their perspectives and gain a better understanding of the world. By embracing new experiences, seasoned travelers are able to create unforgettable memories and have a more enriching travel experience. Number 7 is a big one that I think a lot of people struggle with, but it's budgeting wisely. Traveling can be expensive, but seasoned travelers know how to budget their money wisely and find ways to save on travel expenses. They do their research to find budget-friendly accommodations and transportation options that fit within their budget. They also look for deals and discounts on flights, hotels, and activities. In addition, they often opt to eat at local restaurants instead of expensive tourist spots and try to avoid unnecessary expenses like souvenirs that they don't need. By budgeting wisely, they are able to make their travel funds last longer and have more opportunities to explore their destination. They know that traveling doesn't have to break the bank, and with some planning and budgeting, they can enjoy a fulfilling travel experience without worrying about finances. Number 8 is taking care of their health. Seasoned travelers understand the importance of taking care of their health, especially when traveling. They make sure to get enough rest to avoid exhaustion and jet lag. They also stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water and avoiding excessive alcohol consumption, which can cause dehydration. In addition, they try to maintain a healthy diet and exercise regularly, even when on the road. They may take advantage of local gyms or take walks or hikes to stay active and maintain their physical and mental well-being. They also carry a small first aid kit to deal with minor injuries and illnesses that may arise during their trip. By taking care of their health, they are able to enjoy their travels to the fullest and have the energy and stamina to explore new places and experience new adventures. Number 9 is being respectful of local culture. Seasoned travelers understand that each destination has its own unique customs and traditions, and they make an effort to learn about and respect the local culture. They may read up on cultural norms before their trip or ask locals for advice while they're there. They also make sure to dress appropriately and follow local etiquette, such as removing shoes when entering a temple or covering their head in a mosque. They avoid behaviors that may be considered disrespectful, such as taking photos without permission or making inappropriate gestures. By being respectful of the local culture, they not only avoid offending locals, but also gain a deeper understanding and appreciation of the destination they're visiting. This can help them to have a more authentic travel experience and create meaningful connections with the people they meet. And the last item on our list, but certainly not the least, is maintaining a positive attitude. Seasoned travelers know that travel can be unpredictable and things don't always go as planned. However, they maintain a positive attitude and embrace the adventure, even when faced with challenges or setbacks. They understand that things can go wrong, such as a missed flight or lost luggage, but they don't let these situations ruin their trip. Instead, they find solutions to the problems and focus on enjoying the experience. They may even see unexpected situations as opportunities for adventure and exploration. By maintaining a positive attitude, they are able to stay flexible and adapt to changing circumstances, making the most of their travel experience. They know that travel is about the journey, not just the destination, and a positive attitude can make all the difference in creating a memorable and fulfilling trip. Seasoned travelers have developed habits that allow them to travel with ease and make the most of their experiences. From packing efficiently and staying flexible to being respectful of local cultures and maintaining a positive attitude, these habits help them navigate unfamiliar territories and create memorable travel experiences. By incorporating these habits into your own travels, you can enhance your trip and make it more fulfilling. Whether you're a frequent traveler or just starting out, these habits can help you get the most out of your journeys and make your travel experiences more enjoyable and enriching. So go out and explore the world with these habits in mind and make the most of every adventure. If you like this video and you want to see more similar content, subscribe to Greater Travel and click the bell to be notified when future videos are uploaded. Be sure to comment, "I subscribed," and we will do our best to respond to everyone who does. Thanks for watching. Come back next time to discover your journey.